Now, we talk about the next one, which is an online learning model by Anderson. Anderson developed this model, which, according to him, will help us to deepen our understanding of the complex educational context. This model demonstrates the instructional flow within the two sides, the teacher and the learner, and represents the beginning of a theory or model from the distance education perspective. The model illustrates the two major human actors, the learner and the teacher, and their interactions with each other and with content. Learners can, of course, interact directly with the content that they find in multiple formats, especially on the web. However, many choose to have their learning sequence directed and evaluated with the assistance of a teacher. This interaction can take place within a community of inquiry, using a variety of web-based synchronous and asynchronous activities. These environments are particularly rich and allow for the learning of social skills, the collaborative learning of content, and the development of personal relationship among participants. However, the community binds learners in time, forcing regular sessions or at least group-based learning. In the second model of learning, which is on the right of the framework, it illustrates the structured learning tools associated with independent learning. Common tools used in this mode include computer-assisted tutorials, drills, and simulations. Now, Anderson also emphasized that interaction has always been valued in distance learning, even in its most traditional or independent study format. Lorillard constructs a conversational model of learning in which interaction between students and teachers plays the critical role. And for Bates, another renowned author in online learning, said that interactivity should be the primary criteria for selecting media for educational delivery. Now, there are different types of interaction according to Anderson. So we have the student-student interaction. This type is both cognitive and social in nature and refers to communication between and among peers with or without the teacher present. Student-teacher interaction, this refers to all communications between the teacher and the learner that occurs throughout the course. Student content interaction, a learner interacts with content by undertaking learning tasks independently or by him or herself. Teacher-teacher interaction, this type of interaction can be in the form of professional development and support through a scholarly community of teachers. And fifth, content-content interaction. In this type of interaction, oftentimes content is programmed to interact with other automated information sources so as to refresh itself constantly and to acquire new capabilities.